Hey first graders, this is Miss Wilkes with today's math lesson. We have started studying collecting data and answering questions from that data. We're going to get started with today's lesson. We're going to continue learning about how to read a tally table or tally chart and collect data and answer questions about the tally table. So first of all, we're going to get started with a chart that graphs our favorite food. Now, I have asked some of my family to help me out with this activity, and you're going to do the same after you watch this video. So the question that I asked my family is, what is your favorite food? I gave them 3 choices: pizza, burgers, or tacos. And each person in my family, including myself, answered the question, and I put a tally mark inside the box that matches their favorite food. So let's look at the first food, pizza. I have 2 tally marks, so that means 2 people in my family love pizza the best. So I'm gonna put the number 2 in this chart. I asked some more family members, and they said burgers. Let's count to see how many of my family members said burgers. 1, 2, 3. So I'll put a 3 in this box. I'm one of the ones who like burgers the best. And there was one person in my family that answered tacos because there is only 1 tally mark in the chart. 1 person loved tacos. Now, I want you to think about some questions that I'm going to ask you. I want to know, which food do most of my family members like the most? I'll give you a second to answer. Look at the tally table. Which food do most of my family members like? Most of my family members like burgers because burgers has the most tally marks. It has 3. What about which food do the least of my family members like? You know, least means the less or the fewest. So that means I have to look and see which food has the fewest number of tally marks. I can see that tacos has the fewest number because it only has 1. So the food that has the least amount of likes is the tacos. Now, here's another question. How many family members took this survey? What is the total number of family members that answered my question? I want you to think about how you could figure that out. One way you can figure it out is to count all the tally marks, and that'll tell you how many people in my family completed the survey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people in my family completed this survey. Another way, first graders, another way you can add the 3 numbers in the total column and get your answer. You remember how to add 3 numbers, right? You choose 2 of the numbers to add first. So I'm going to add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then I have 1 more, that is 6. So when you stop this video, I want you to draw this chart in your math journal. And you are going to ask some of your family members which food they like the best, or what is their favorite food: pizza, burgers, or tacos. And I want you to complete the tally table and then take a picture of it, send it to your teacher, or you can upload it to your teacher's Canvas page so she can check it. Thanks, first graders.